In today's competitive business environment, organizations are not only focused on technology and system, but also on human behavior. One important factor that influences employee behavior is personality. Employee personality refers to the unique pattern of thoughts, feelings, and behavior that individuals bring into the workplace. These personality traits affect how employees communicate, handle stress, make decisions, and work with others. Organizational performance can be measured through productivity, efficiency, teamwork, job satisfaction, and overall achievement of the organizational goals. When employees' personality align well with their job role and organizational culture, performance tends to improve.
So I'm going to start with main issues. Employee personality refers to individual traits and behavior that influence how people think, act, and interact at the workplace. Personality is important because it affects job performance, teamwork, and how employees respond to stress and change, which directly impacts organizational performance. So, first main issue is job personality mismatch. When an employee personality does not suit their job role, they may feel stressed, unmotivated, and less productive. For example, an introvert employee in a highly social job may struggle, leading to lower work quality and performance. Another main issue is impact of personality on teamwork. Different personalities affect how employees communicate and cooperate. Employees with positive and cooperative personalities usually work better in teams, while personality difference may cause conflict and reduce team effectiveness, affecting overall productivity. The third main issue is stress management and emotional stability. Employees who have difficulty managing stress may experience burnout, absenteeism, and reduced performance, which negatively affects organizational efficiency. And lastly, resistance to change is also influenced by personality. Some employees are less open to change, making it harder for organizations to implement new systems and improve performance.
Now we move to the challenges of employees' personality on organizational culture. So the first challenge is reluctance to speak up due to hierarchical culture. As we know that in Malaysia, many organizations practice high respect for authority. Because of this context, employees with introvert personality and extrovert personality tend to avoid giving opinion or questioning decisions. This politeness can negatively affect organization performance. There are three impacts of these challenges. The first is low innovation, slow decision making, and fail to generate new idea. For example, Malaysia government agency. Junior officers rarely challenge senior staff even there are better solutions exist. This causes inefficiency in public service quality. Now we move to the second challenges, personality job mismatch during recruitment. As we know that many companies in Malaysia heavily focus on academic qualification and work experience while giving limited attention to personality assessment. This is because the employee plays in a role that doesn't suit with their personality and giving impact for low productivity and high turnover employees. For example, in retail companies such as Mr. DIY or Lotus Malaysia, frontline employees under constant pressure may respond purely to customer, and this lead damaging company's service image. Now I will explain how organization in Malaysia can overcome issues that related with employees' personality to improve their performance. The first solution is encourage open communication and psychological safety. The organization should create a work culture so the employee will feel safe to express their opinion and idea without fear being judged or punished. A leader also needs to be approachable, supportive, and actively encouraging feedback during the meeting. This solution overcome the first challenge, which is reluctant to speak up due to hierarchical culture. When the employees are able to speak up, the organization can get benefits from increased innovation, overall improved performance, and Better decision making. Next solution is use personality-based recruitment and proper job matching. Company in Malaysia should include personality assessment during hiring processes instead only focusing academic result and work experience. By matching employee personality traits with suitable job roles, the organization can ensure that the employee feel confident and comfortable in their work. This can lead to higher job satisfaction, lower turnover, and improved productivity, especially in service-based industries such as call center and customer service sector.
For our case study, we focuses on the Malaysian public sector, specifically Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia, or as known as KKM. This case examined public health clinics, known as Klinik Kesihatan, during the implementation of the Health Information System, or HIS, which was introduced to digitalize patient records and improve efficiency in public healthcare services. This implementation posed a major challenges because many clinic staff or workers had relied on paper-based system for decades. As a result, this situation provides a clear example of how employees' personality traits actually influence their response to organizational changes and overall performances. So moving on, the first personality trait observed was openness to experience. Openness refers to an individual willingness to accept new ideas, learn new skills, and to adapt to changes. In this case, staff with low openness to experience were more resistant to adopting the HIS. They prefer familiar manual processes which slowed system adoption, disrupted clinic workflow, and increased patient waiting times. This reduced productivity and service efficiency. And the second trait is neuroticism, which refers to emotional stability and how individuals handle stress, anxiety, and pressure. Staff who displayed high neuroticism experienced anxiety when using the new system, particularly due to fear of making mistakes or breaking the system. This resulted in frequent supervision, workflow bottlenecks, increased stress level, and lower staff morale. On the other hand, patient traits were also evident. Consciousness referred to being disciplined, responsible, and detail-oriented at work. Employees with high consciousness adapted well to HIS. They carefully followed new standard operating procedure, ensured accurate data entry, and often become super users who assisted in troubleshooting and training colleagues. This improved work quality, reliability, and system accuracy. Another positive trait observed was agreeableness, which refers to being cooperative, supportive, and considerate towards others. Highly agreeable staff help reduce resistance by supporting colleagues, promoting teamwork, and maintaining a harmony during the transition. This improved cooperation and contributed to a smoother implementation process.
In conclusion, employee personality plays a crucial role in determining organizational performance. Different personality traits influence how employees perform their tasks, interact with colleagues, and respond to workplace challenges. Positive personality traits can enhance productivity, teamwork, and job satisfaction. On the other hand, negative traits like poor emotional control may reduce efficiency and create workplace conflict. Therefore, it is important for management to understand employee personalities when recruiting, assigning tasks, and developing training programs. Proper personality job fit can lead to higher motivation and better organizational outcomes. By recognizing and managing employee personality effectively, organization can create a positive working environment and improve overall performance.